Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cadog token. Ticker symbol is CDG. Now this token was trending number 1 a second ago. Right now it's trending number 2 on pinksale.finance. It is half cat, half dog, meme coin on the Solana blockchain. It's a public pre-sale. They're doing very well right off the bat here. We're going to go over the information on the Cadog token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their Twitter is in the corner of the screen there, at Cadog_Sol. 133 tweets, and they just joined in April 2024, so they're very active on their socials there in a short amount of time. It says, not a cat, not a dog, a Cadog, half dog, half cat. Ticker symbol CDG. They have the contract address right there. You can't really use that yet, though, until it goes live on DEXs. And then they have a link to their Telegram right there. And 243 Twitter followers so far. And then in their pinned tweets, it says, Cadog pre-sale is open now. 50% dog, 50% cat, meme coin on Solana, and then it has a link to their pink sale pre-sale. So basically, on this Twitter, you can find all the links. They actually don't have a web page right now that I could find anywhere. And so right now, all they have is the Twitter, Telegram. They have lots of tweets with lots of information on their 133 tweets. And then all the rest of the info is going to be on the pink sale pre-sale page. So they show 1 hour ago in one of their most recent tweets that they were trending number 1 on Pink Sale. It says, we told you we have the best community. We are not like any other meme coin. And the Telegram here, if you click on that, there's 388 members. 44 of them are online. And that is a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to talk to other community members about the Cadog token, see what they think about it. Maybe their updates will be posted in there and stuff like that. That would be a great place to do it. Now, this pre-sale here has a soft cap of 175 SOL and a hard cap of 700 SOL. So, they're already more than halfway there to 700, so this token could sell out pretty quickly on Pink Sale here, especially since they're trending number 2 and it's a public pre-sale. So there says 3 days, 18 hours, 32 minutes left, so that's a long time, but they're already at 385.25 SOL sold already, which is equivalent to $53,400. So they're trying to reach $97,000, which is 700 SOL, and they're more than halfway there. So I'd assume if this keeps doing well, trending, that they're going to sell out way before the pre-sale time is over. Minimum buy for the pre-sale is 0.2 SOL, and max buy is 15 SOL. So there's been 170 investors contribute to this pre-sale so far. And it says they have a base team with OG marketers on board, 24/7 non-stop shilling, worldwide Telegram influencers, multi-platform banner ads, token mint revoked, mint authority revoked, ensuring transparency and trust, freeze authority revoked, your tokens, your control, automatically launched on Raydium after pre-sale, seamless transition into trading on the leading Solana DEX. Huge percent up for grabs. So Cadog is the name of the token, CDG is the ticker symbol, 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. Tokens for pre-sale, 700 million tokens. They have, the pre-sale end date here is May 6th, 14 hours UTC time. But like I said, it could sell out way faster than that. And if you do end up missing the pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, first of all, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens or any of these new pre-sales. And second of all, if you do miss the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet, your Trust wallet, or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the CDG token using the contract address that you can find on that Twitter right there. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. I can't really check because there's no actual web page. And it says liquidity will be locked for 30 days on Raydium. Now, just be aware that 30 days is not a very long time. So, after 30 days, the liquidity becomes unlocked. So, just be aware of that. I would follow their socials to make sure that they extend it. You could always ask questions, things like that on there. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here on Pink Sale, it says 70% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 25.43% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 4.56% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, I don't see a full audit on here, I don't see a KYC, and I don't see a quick audit. So just totally be aware of that. There's not really anywhere where I can check any security to make sure that what they said is true. They said, you know, mint authority revoked, token mint revoked, and freeze authority revoked. But I don't see any sort of audit to verify that. So just totally be aware of that. Unless it's in their 133 tweets here. And so, I mean, you could scroll through their 133 tweets and try to find more information, but I'm obviously not going to do that in this video. That's a lot of tweets. But yeah, go check this project out. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. If you want to help support the channel, you could always hit that join button. And thanks again. Peace out.